It's a wrap for that video.
Oh, I don't think so.
Hey guys, what
Hi.
are we making today?
Today we're making a chewy ginger cookie.
Let me just be the person to test this thing.
You be the judge of that. And wait for it. It's really good. It's a good cookie.
But it's so chewy. How did you make it so chewy?
Well, because it's a chewy ginger cookie.
It's amazing.
It's all in the love. It's in the love.
And
The
there's
key
no
ingredient.
gluten? Is it gluten-free?
It's everything free.
Wow.
I think this is the one where you'll see that I added a tiny bit of molasses kind of way at the end because I forgot to put it in with the wet stuff, but it doesn't matter. It all mixes, and it was great. And I'm really happy with the recipe. What else is there to say about the chewy ginger cookie?
When do you eat them?
Right away. No, I know.
You have like one
With
right
the meal.
after the meal. One, just one. Because you could do the whole bowl. One. Okay, let's show you how to make it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please click the subscribe button and I will see you in the next video.